Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Rotem and I'm doing affiliate marketing for over than 20 years. This channel is about how we can do a faceless affiliate marketing. You can see at the bottom there is a faceless affiliate marketing guide. Today in this video I will show you two methods to get traffic to affiliate product that we choose to promote. The first method is to use Webtalk to get free traffic. Webtalk is a social media platform. It's like a combine of LinkedIn and Facebook together. If we check the domain of Webtalk inside SimilarWeb, we see that this platform gets a lot of traffic every month. If we check the geographic country targeting, we can see the top countries, and we can see that 30% of the traffic is from the USA. And about the audience demographics, most of the users are young and male. In order to sign up to Webtalk, you need to be invited, so I will add a link in the description that you can use. If we look at Webtalk website, you can see that you can create a post and add photos, videos, files, and more. This is the main news feed, and we can see other affiliates that promote products. Of course, you can add affiliate links inside the post. The second method that I want to show you is using MyLeadGenSecret. MyLeadGenSecret is a service that will give you every day 100 leads, and you can use the platform in order to send emails to those leads. We just need to click on Mailing System, then we click on Select All. You can see that I use this platform for a long time, so I have in this account almost 40,000 leads that I can send one broad email to them every day. In this demonstration, I will choose one of the affiliate programs that we have in the playlist in the channel. I will choose Builderall. Of course, I recommend you to watch the video. This is the landing page that I will promote that uses the Builderall platform. I will look at the landing page and read the content, and then search for keywords that highlights the offer. For example, profitable online business. Or just give me 5 short days and I will show you the exact step-by-step method to make your first commission online. Or get your business ready, set up for your first commission online in just 5 days. This is perfect highlights for us. We can also read about the bonus. We can see that there is a free bonuses. In order to sign up for the mini course, the user will need to sign up to a free trial of Builderall to get access, and we can see that after 14 days, if the user will like the platform, it will cost him something like $85 every month. And of course, he will get the commission. In order to write the email, I will go to Jasper. You can see inside the template the email section. I will click on it. Here we have some options. For example, we can choose the template of email subject lines in order to write the subject of the email. There is the personalized code emails that is perfect for us because the leads inside MyLeadGenSecret are code emails. If we go to the e-commerce, we see the IDA framework and the PASS framework. Both of them are perfect to us in order to write the emails. In the IDA framework, we can use the structure of attention, interest, desire, and action. And in the PASS framework, we see that we can use the structure of problem and solution. And it is very suitable for a lot of affiliates offers. In this example, I will use the personalized code emails. I will click on it. Here we can give Jasper more details. There is a tell us about your product, the product name, and the context to include in the email. The tone of voice we can choose like with it's okay. In order to add a curiosity, I prefer not to write the product name, the Builderall, inside the email. I took some text from the landing page. You see the context to include in the email will be set up your first commission online in just 5 days. Then I will click on generate. And Jasper wrote us 3 options. I will look at them. Can you spare 5 short days? In that time I will show you the exact step-by-step method to making your first commission online. This is a perfect sentence for our emails. Also the other option. If you are anything like me, you are always looking for ways to make more money. And if you are like most people, you don't have a lot of free time to waste learning something that you may or may not work. I'm about to share with you an amazing method that will allow you to start making your first commission online in just 5 short days. But before I do that, I want to ask, are you open to hearing about it? I think this one is perfect for us, but I don't like this sentence. I will move it. So what I will do is click on Opening Documents, and I will do edits, like removing this sentence. I will also delete this one and type something like click here to try it for yourself. And then I will copy it. I will go to MyLeadGenSecret. Here I will delete all the text and paste our text. I will do more edits because I want short sentences. we want to use the first name of the list. So I will delete it. And you can see at the top there are templates. For the first name, I just need to select it and paste it inside. The service will know to insert the first name of the user inside this template. Now we need to add the affiliate link. So I will select the sentence, click on the URL icon, and add the URL of the affiliate links. The last thing, we just need to write the subject. So we go again to Jasper. Here I will use the IDA framework. We type the product description, set up your first commission online in just 5 days, and click on generate. Now we have 3 options, and we see at the intention, great sentence for subject. For example, ready to make your first commission online, or even the last one, struggling to make money online while everyone else seems to be getting rich. I will choose the first one, and I will paste it inside the subject. Now we just need to click on perfect timing. We can look at the preview. Ready to make your first commission online? Hi, first name. If you are anything like me, you are always looking for ways to make more money. And if you are like most people, you don't have a lot of free time to waste learning something that may or may not work. I'm about to share with you an amazing method that will allow you to start making your first commission online in just 5 short days. But before I do that, I want to ask, are you open to hearing about it? I promise this won't take up too much of your time, and it's a method that has been tested and works. Click here to try it for yourself. This is the affiliate link. Best, Rotem. I think this email is perfect. This is very easy and short process, and we just need to click on send email. After we send the email, we can see that we can send a new email in another 24 hours. Also, if we click on the statistic, we see the date, we see the email that we sent, and we can look information about the open rate, and the clicks number. That's all for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I will add the links in the description to all the tools that I use in this video. And of course, if you like it, you can subscribe, and you can write in the comments if you have questions to me. That's all. Thanks. Bye.